Say goodbye, it's the end of tonight. Close your eyes, everything will be alright. No regrets, just think that you and I will be alright. I think that you and I were never meant to be, but lately I have been thinking from the start. You stole my heart, you looked into my eyes, and I thought that I was safe, but now I know the truth, I'm not into you. I think back to way then, wondering if you were ever our friends. I remember walking by, all the things that I would hear. You'd always laugh and I would end up in tears. All the words that you said were in my head, they just kept replaying. Those words that don't need to be heard are in my head, they just keep replaying over and over again. Nobody should feel this way, but I do today. Those words that couldn't be heard are making me hurt. All those words that couldn't hurt aren't real. Everything you say puts me in pain. Those words are here to stay. If I showed you the real me, would it change your ways? If I cut my wrist, you'll see the real me. If you try to find me asleep in the night, all you would find is me taking my life. Wipe your tears away. There's no reason to cry, because nobody cared when I was alive. Say goodbye to hello, I'm gone forever. No more me for you, it's all over. Cause you cut my wrist, you see the real me. If you try to find me in the night, you just find me taking my life. So those words that couldn't hurt turned out to be a lie. Those words that couldn't hurt, say goodbye to hello, I'm gone forever. No more me for you, it's all over. Thanks for watching, you guys. Please subscribe. I love you guys. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you later.